And this video will teach you how to join and use Rainbet affiliate program. First of all, you need to create an account on Rainbet. Just sign up, verify your account, and after you will have an account on Rainbet, you can click on your profile in the top right corner and go to the affiliates. Right here, you need to generate your affiliate code. So you can write anything, any code right here. For example, this is my channel name, and click on set code and it will generate an affiliate link for you. So on the right side, you will see this invite link. You need to copy this, share it to your friends and invite people into Rainbet. After you will invite people, here will be your stats. Here will be the list of the people who will be invited to your affiliate program. So I have got 2 referrals. Here will be total earnings. And when you will have available earnings, you can click on claim right here and it will be transferred to your main Rainbet balance. So that's how the affiliate works on Rainbet. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.